Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just fitted an upgrade on the existing Nissan Navara alarm system 2016. Customers a bit paranoid about them bending the door at the back or lifting the back up and taking the contents, so we fitted this upgrade system. How it actually works is when the customer leaves the vehicle, he locks it, which arms the system, and then it just takes a minute for it to set. Obviously if we force the back open, then you'll see the system trigger. So we just wait for it to set and then show you this. There you go, system's triggered, original alarm's gone off. This is how it works. Hope you found the video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you, bye bye.